You light me for ambience, then forget I exist. I'm not trying to become lava on your side table. At least trim my wick before the drama starts.
Some of the fastest growing YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram pages right now are posting simple AI videos of everyday objects. Talking? And the crazy part? These videos are getting millions of views. Today, I'll show you exactly how to create these viral AI videos completely free using just a few simple tools. And trust me, the process is much easier than you think. So let's get started. First, we need to generate the idea and the prompt for the image. For this, open ChatGPT and go to the Explore GPT section on the left side. If you can't find it there, simply search Explore GPTs on Google. Once you open it, search for Object Talk and choose the first result. Now this is where things get interesting. This tool can transform almost any object into a talking character with facial expressions and a short educational dialogue. Basically, it turns normal objects into animated personalities. Click on Start Chat. Now type in any object you want. For example, a pillow, a toothbrush, a coffee cup. Literally anything, then click Generate. The AI will first create a main result based on your object. After that, it automatically gives you multiple additional variations. So with just one generation, you can instantly create several different video ideas. Next, we need to generate the image. For this step, one of the best free options is Nano Banana. You can also use tools like Whisk or ImageFX. What I usually do is copy the prompt generated earlier and paste it directly into the image generator. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for shorts and reels. Choose high quality, then click Generate. Now wait a few seconds. As you can see, the results look surprisingly good. If you don't like the first output, simply regenerate it or increase the number of variations until you get the style you want. Once you find your favorite result, download it. Now comes the most important part, the animating. And don't worry, this part is actually very simple. The AI already generated a short script for us earlier, so copy that dialogue. For animation, we'll use vo3.upload, your image. Make sure the aspect ratio is set to portrait mode. Then paste the dialogue you want the character to say. After that, click Generate. And just like that, your AI character starts talking. The final result looks really professional, especially for short-form content.
I scrubbed plaque for 2 full minutes and still get ignored for months. My bristles are bent like a crushed mop. Replace me before I just...
But here's the powerful part most people don't know. If you want to continue the video, simply generate another scene using the last frame of the previous video as the reference image. That creates a smooth continuation effect and makes the animation feel much more cinematic. After that, you can edit everything together using any video editing software you like. This type of content has huge viral potential right now. If you stay consistent and upload regularly, you can grow your Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram page surprisingly fast. So try this method yourself and experiment with different objects and ideas. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and let me know what kind of AI tutorials you want to see next. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.